looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free.
Hello, my loves. How are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're great. Long time no fitness update video. It's been a hot minute since I talked about fitness on this channel. And that is because I've been practicing balance. I've been enjoying myself. Hot girl summer is here and I have been in full swing, as I'm sure you can imagine. Obviously I went on holiday, I went to France, I was eating a lot of cheese and bread, and this morning was my first workout in about a month. And it felt really, really great. We're currently in a heat wave, however, so it was a struggle bus, but we got through it. I think I'm definitely somebody who preaches balance, a balanced, healthy lifestyle, which means different things are going to become your priority at different times, different seasons, different stages in your life. And that's completely normal and completely okay. You know, when I'm home and when I'm not traveling, the gym is a big focus and a priority of mine, and I love to build my strength and my muscle. But then when I'm on holiday and I'm away, I don't think about it. I just enjoy myself. I gain a few pounds here and there. I gain 10 to 15 pounds here and there. Drank a lot of wine. Oh my God, can you hear that fly? Oh my God, if you can hear that, I might actually scream. My priority over the next few months is getting back on the grind. I'd like to lean out a little bit, lose a little bit of my holiday weight, which is completely normal. Long ramble, you guys know the story. I lost a lot of weight a few years ago. I lost about 25 kilos. I've been maintaining since then. I am by no means the lowest weight, but for me, maintenance is maintaining the lifestyle changes that I made, not necessarily the weight. So I'm about 20 pounds heavier, about 10 kilos heavier than I was at my lowest weight loss after pick weight. Obviously I'm significantly stronger and I have much better endurance and everything like that. But you know, for me, maintenance is not staying at one stagnant weight. It's about maintaining the lifestyle, and it's about maintaining a good relationship with your body and treating your body with respect and care and love, and knowing that when you do go out for multiple nights on the trot and you drink too much and you eat loads of cheese and bread and enjoy yourself and have dessert multiple times a day like I do, and you know that you can do all of those things, but also integrating healthy habits and drinking lots of water and things like that, just to keep your body happy, you know? So yeah, my idea of maintenance weight is more of a lifestyle maintenance, and I give myself a good 5 to 10 kilos fluctuation in the actual weight, because to me, my weight doesn't really matter as long as I feel confident and happy in my body. But I would be lying if I said that I wasn't on the higher end of the weight that I feel happy and comfortable in. I have definitely overdone it a little bit with the booze and the food. And yeah, I haven't moved my body really at all for nearly 6 weeks. So my clothes are feeling quite tight. I'm not feeling as fit as I once did. So I have decided to do a little 12-week challenge, and Fitbit reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to work with them. I'm sorry, that is a huge deal for me. Fitbit has been a huge part of my fitness journey since the very, very beginning. I relied so heavily on my Fitbit just to make sure I was remaining active, getting my steps in. And so when they asked me if I wanted to work with them over the next 6 months, I was so excited. So I'm going to be working with Fitbit until November, which is so exciting. You guys can watch the whole journey. I've decided to do a little healthy girl summer instead of hot girl summer challenge. And I thought I would open it up to you guys to see if you would also like to join it with me. I'm going to set some kind of ground rules of things that I would like to achieve day to day that I can do with the help of my Fitbit. For example, step goal and workout goals, water intake, sleep, etc. To live my happiest, healthiest life over the next 12 weeks. And don't get me wrong, you guys see me posting bikini pictures, you guys see me strutting around. That fly is going to end me, I swear. Next to nothing, mini dresses, getting my arms out, getting my legs out. I'm a confident young lady and I love my body. I love what it does for me. I love how I treat it and I respect my body, and I hope that you guys all feel the same way about yours. I just want to switch up my goals a little bit. I've spent so long building muscle And I did do a mini cut at the beginning of the year for my Project 50, and I felt amazing at the end of that. And I just want to get back to that place. And I'm giving myself 12 weeks, and I thought that maybe you guys would like to join me. And then after the 12 weeks, I might extend it, I might not, we'll see how I'm feeling. And then I'm going to move into a reverse diet phase. And kind of do a mini bulk up to Christmas. So if you guys wanted to see that, then let me know. So I'm not doing anything drastic. I'm not making any mad changes. It's gonna feel very natural to me, my lifestyle. It's basically just getting back into my regular routine with a few little tweaks just to kind of jet start it a little bit. But I'm not, going crazy, making really severe lifestyle changes, because in my opinion that is not a maintainable or healthy approach to healthy fat loss or whatever your goal may be. So I have the Fitbit Sense. This color is their Lunar White. I think it's so aesthetically pleasing. It's like a very light, almost white cream, but not. I think it looks great with a tan. I'm sure a lot of you have already heard of or used a Fitbit before, but there are so many features. You can track your steps, your sleep, your water intake, obviously your heart rate, so you can track your workouts, see what your cardiovascular health is looking like. There are so many amazing features on here. You can also connect it to your phone, you can listen to music with it, you can answer calls on it. Like, you feel like a little bit of a James Bond wizard with a Fitbit. Pay with my watch, I always feel really suave. So using my Fitbit, I'm going to do a few challenges, I think, over the next few months. So I'm going to do like a walking challenge, trying to hit X amount of steps a day for a week. And I'll probably let you guys know in advance, maybe, and then we could try and do it together. I'll definitely post about it on my Instagram on the week that I do that. I'm also really going to be focusing on my sleep, because you guys know I recently worked with Eve Sleep and have kind of tailored this sleep routine that I'm really trying to keep up with, to try and get as much sleep as possible, because it's so important for your recovery, muscle growth, and also if you're looking to be in a caloric deficit, if you're tired, your hormones are all over the place, and it's really difficult to keep yourself on a deficit because your body will crave more energy and more food. So getting enough sleep is super, super important when it comes to a dieting or a fat loss phase. So I'm definitely going to be focusing on my sleep and tracking the quality of my sleep, as well as obviously how long I'm asleep for. But then in the more kind of mindfulness area, they have like meditations, like guided meditations, as well as different recipes. So it's not just about getting your steps in and exercising, it's also about fueling your body and treating your body and your mind well, because Healthy Girl Summer is not just about how you look. It is mental health just as much as physical health. Like, it is all encompassing, because if your body is healthy and your mind is not, can you call yourself healthy? They are hand in hand, as important as each other. So I always track my workouts. I went to the gym this morning, did a lovely glutes and hammies session, and I always turn on my Fitbit so I can see what my heart rate is looking like throughout the session. And something I find really useful and beneficial is when it comes to my rest and my recovery between sets. If I feel like I'm maybe ready to start going again, and then I look at my Fitbit and my heart rate is still through the roof, I'll give myself a little bit longer to rest. So between sets, you'll often see me checking my heart rate. It is a really helpful tool in that respect. But then I also use it to track walks, just to keep a track of how often, how frequently, and how regularly I am moving my body, because consistency is key. It doesn't have to be really intense, heavy, crazy HIIT sessions or anything like that. In fact, I don't do HIIT. I don't do that anymore. I used to, but it's just not my bag anymore. Just keeping a record that you're constantly throughout the week getting some sort of movement in. It's just a good way to keep yourself accountable and kind of keeping track on, what you're doing for your bod. So I am going to insert my before pictures before. Again, I hate the term before and after, because it is before the 12 weeks and the after the 12 weeks. I'm not going to be a better person if I shed 5 kilos, It's not about that. I just want to show off some muscle definition. I got kind of ripped. By the end of March, I had cut off a little bit of fat but built a lot of muscle, and my arms were looking toned. And I want to get back to that, because she was looking jacked. And I'll show you guys my afters in 12 weeks. Don't expect crazy drastic changes because I'm not doing anything particularly crazy or drastic because I don't want to, and I don't think you should. But I do think I can make a few aesthetic goals happen over 12 weeks, and I would love to ask you guys to join me. If you're looking for a little bit of motivation, or if you just want to do this with me, a little team activity, it should be super fun. I will be posting my workouts on Instagram, as I often do, just daily kind of check-ins to make sure that I'm on track with it. It will be kind of like a Project 50 situation, just on my stories rather than my reels. The things that I want to achieve, at least 4 strength sessions a week, so 4 to 5 strength sessions a week. I'd like to hit 10 to 12,000 steps every day, 10,000 steps being the bare minimum. The goal is 12,000 steps a day. I'd like to drink 2 litres of water a day, get at least 7.5 hours sleep a day. I have set myself a calorie goal. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it will be completely different to yours, but I am putting myself in a deficit. I haven't tracked in a long time, since January, so I've had a good long break of just eating mindfully, intuitively, and I'm ready to be a little bit more tailored with my diet just to optimize my results, I guess you could say. So I would also like to stick to my caloric deficit over the next 12 weeks. Each time I do a Fitbit challenge video, I will do a little check-in, like a physique check-in maybe, so you guys can see my progress throughout the weeks. I think that could be quite fun. Let me know if you'd like to see that. And then obviously there'll be the roundup video where we do the 12-week results. So yeah, if you would like to join me, let's gamify it, let's make it fun. Fitness is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to make you happy, make you feel good. It's not supposed to be a chore. If you're already questioning if you can keep up with certain things, then you're probably doing too much, you know? It needs to feel natural. And I highly recommend getting a Fitbit if you're looking to just improve your general day-to-day activity, because making sure you get enough steps is a huge thing that is massively overlooked. Just making sure you're moving in general will make the world of a difference in the long term. I have Fitbit Premium, so I get more in-depth statistics for my sleep, as well as like guided programs. So if you're not really sure where to start with your workouts and your fitness routine, then if you get Fitbit Premium, they can actually support you with that as well, which is amazing. I've been talking for a while. I feel that was quite rambly, but I'm really looking forward to it. I love a challenge. I love having like a goal. I'm very much a goal-orientated person. So if you guys want to take power over your life and your lifestyle and your body and your health, and you want to join Healthy Girls Summer 2022 with me, then make sure you subscribe, you leave a comment down below letting me know if you're going to join in with me, and 1 or 2 little things that you would like to change to help get closer to your goals. I would love to know. I'm so excited to be working with Fitbit. It's honestly a really cool opportunity for me and I'm really thrilled. Thank you guys for engaging with my fitness content. I can't believe that this is where I'm at with my channel, is talking about fitness challenges with Fitbit. Who am I? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys join me on this little challenge. I think it's gonna be so fun. Maybe even take a little before photo if you feel like you really wanna make some change. Obviously you don't need to make any change and you're beautiful and stunning and amazing just the way you are. But if it applies to you and it is something that you think would make you a happier person and make you feel good and confident, then take a little before pic now, because after the 12 weeks, you'll be glad that you did. Thanks for watching. Thank you Fitbit for working with me. I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.